I decided I'm gonna clean my room first, y'all. And I'm gonna like do it in a speedy time because I'm listening to music to pump me up. Okay, so for the most part, we're clean. Bed's made, just minus the scarves. Nothing on the floor, okay? Curtains hung, dresser clean, got the candle going. Don't worry about that. Don't mind that. But yeah, so room is cleaned and vacuumed and nice. And now we tackle this. That. Ah! Y'all, I look a hot mess, but I wanted to show y'all that I got my shower curtain up and I put my rug down. I didn't finish showing y'all me cleaning up because me trying to vlog and cleaning up was a lot. And y'all, I was spraying so much bleach and my hair looks terrible. I literally fell asleep at like 4 a.m. cleaning up and just threw it under the bonnet, and like my top knot is all, it's a mess. It's a mess. I'm surprised my baby hairs are still intact. Barely. Anyway, so put that up. I gotta get the decorative towels, and I want to put a picture. Okay, so my wall like does this like divot right here, so I don't know, like I don't think I can put nothing on this wall, so I have to put like a picture right there for my wall to decorate my bathroom, and then like get like pink decorative towels instead of that orange towel. But like my bathroom's finna come together. All I needed was a little change of scenery, and then like I organized this. I don't have a closet door right here, but my daddy said he gonna get that together for me, and I organized everything under here because my bin pink. And then like cleaned my kitchen last night, y'all. But this part of my house is already clean, so yeah. But that was just a little, with the Clorox and the stuff still sitting on the counter. But yeah, y'all, so that was just a little clean with me. Little Einstein.
Kind of put away.
What? Little Einstein. Good morning, stinky butt. You want to watch Little Einsteins? You singing it. Let's turn on the Little Einsteins. It's really not morning, y'all. We literally slept till noon. And I don't feel bad about it because I needed that. Y'all know how Drake said, someone tell me I fell off. Ooh, I needed it. That's, my hair was a mess. But y'all, my off days are coming to an end. Like, I really had a week off and it ends tomorrow. I mean Wednesday. Well, 6 days a week. What? I really had a week off and it ends tomorrow, and I'm really sad about it because I look forward to it. But right now, I'm about to put the Little Einsteins on TV, get us dressed, and I'm gonna check back in with y'all because we doing a lot today. So today's gonna be a good day. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night.
Oh no, my TV is shooting.
It's coming. Oh no, the TV song. That's my the TV song. Na 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 na. Where did you get that from? The circus? When mommy took you to the circus? What? I don't know what she just said, but why is it taking so long? Come on, bro. I need some new internet, y'all. Okay, but that's besides the point. I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get dressed and I get my life together and I get my hair done. There it goes. Look, too.
Baby, when we're crying, oh yeah, I get so excited. You're making it hard for me.
Hard for me. Okay, y'all. So today's Zuri and I went to Jumpworld. I'm gonna insert some footage of her, but she went. Come on, Zoo. Let's do this. Look. Go to. Going the other way? Come on. You got it. I'm behind you. Go ahead, Tube. Go ahead. You got it. Come on. Come on. Mommy behind you. Come on. Come on. Look. Look. Come on. Mommy's behind you. See, you did it.
No.
You got it.
No.
Go to. Big girl. Go ahead, Toot.
No.
You got it. Big girl. You got it.
Go away, Dad. Go away, Dad. Chubby, Corey, Judgy.
Go to. Go look. The slide. You did it. You got it. You don't need mommy. Go ahead. You big girl. Look. You go down the orange slide. You go down the yellow slide. She wanted me to do, literally she was the only kid in there for like 30 minutes, and then like 3 other kids showed up because I guess nobody go to Jumpworld on Mondays. Everybody be at work, but since I'm off I decided to go. Then we ate Chick-fil-A and now she's KO. It's 7:13. But I'm about to wake up because who not finna be up all night? Us. We not finna be up all night. But y'all, I'm just in the car, and y'all, this playlist that I found on Twitter with the throwbacks, girl, it's lit, bro. It is so lit. Like, I can't. Like, I don't want to get out the car because it's lit like that. But I do need to get out the car because tomorrow is officially Vlogmas, and I need to make sure all of the videos are going up correctly. I also have a hair order to ship off, to get ready to ship off in the morning. Yeah, I decided I want to make gumbo tomorrow too. My first gumbo, y'all. That's crazy. That's crazy, huh? And then, yeah, tomorrow's my last off day, y'all. And then back on the slave ship. And then Saturday, it's my cousin's birthday party. I get my hair redone. And then Sunday, me and Zuri take Christmas pics. And then I work 4 days in a row. Yeah, like my schedule going back. Yeah, I'm gonna be working like a slave until Christmas. I work 4 days each week until Christmas. Whoo, child. With 2 and 3 days off in between, Jesus. Lord, give me strength. But, what I was about to say? Yeah, we need to go in the house, but I want to keep listening to this playlist, bro. But my dog sleep, y'all. She tired. Jumpworld wore her out, but she needs to save some of that sleep for tonight. So I'm finna come in here, wake her up some more, because you can't go to sleep, little baby sis. You can't go to sleep, baby sis. But, yeah, okay, so I'm gonna talk to y'all later.